Have you ever stopped to wonder about the science and engineering behind a cigarette lighter? It's one of those everyday tools that we use so often, yet rarely pause to think about. But here's the amazing part. Inside this tiny device is a complex combination of materials and mechanisms working together seamlessly to produce fire at the flick of a switch. So, how does it actually work? When you press down on a lighter, the first thing that happens is the release of butane gas, which is stored under pressure inside the lighter. Butane is an extremely flammable gas, which makes it ideal for creating fire. In fact, it's chosen specifically because it can be stored as a liquid under pressure and then released as a gas when needed, providing a compact and safe fuel source. When you release this gas by pressing down on the button, it flows upward, ready to be ignited. But there's more to the process. That small metal wheel on the lighter, it's not just there for convenience, it's an essential part of the ignition system. When you flick the wheel, it grinds against a small piece of rough metallic material known as flint. This creates friction, which generates tiny sparks. In a split second, those sparks ignite the butane gas as it's released, creating a controlled, steady flame. And just like that, you got fire right at your fingertips. It's chemistry and engineering working in perfect harmony. Did you know that lighters actually predate the invention of modern matches? The earliest lighters were repurposed from converted gunpowder flintlock pistols, and they were much larger and bulkier than what we carry today. Over time, as materials and technology evolved, so did lighter designs. Today's butane lighters are compact, reliable, and designed to be safe for everyday use. And speaking of safety, there's a common myth floating around about lighters exploding in your pocket or bag. But modern lighters have a pressure release valve, which prevents dangerous gas buildup. This means they're much safer than you might think, as long as they're used and stored properly. So, next time you reach for a lighter, remember that there's a whole world of science, history, and technology packed into that small, everyday object. It's a reminder that sometimes, even the simplest things around us are powered by incredible engineering and innovation. If you enjoyed learning the science behind everyday items, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unique insights here on Simply Created.